Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. The topic I'm going to discuss today is Dexis. Dexis is an important field and an important part of pragmatics, semantics, and linguistics. Dexis refers to the phenomena wherein understanding the meaning of certain words and phrases in an utterance requires contextual information. Words or phrases that requires contextual information to convey meaning are deictic. Types of dexis and dexis. Pragmatics, a subfield of linguistics, studies how people understand and produce a speech act in a concrete speech situation. Dexis belongs to the area of pragmatics because it directly involves the relationship between the structure of language and the context in which it is used. Three types of dexis: person, place, and time. Person dexis. It encodes the different persons involved in a communicative event. Moreover, the participants need to be encoded, which means that you have to find out who the speaker and who the addressee is. More, person dexis refers to the person who the speakers intend to refer to. That means that person's dexis is realized with personal pronouns. The utterance is directed from the first person I to the listener, the second person you, and the person the speaker is talking about is the third person he, she, it. Place dexis. It is also called as spatial dexis and describes where the relative location of people and objects are being indicated. Demonstrative adverbs for place dexis are here: this, these, that, those, there. More, there is a gestural use of spatial dexis as well as a non-gestural use. The gestural use can be shown through an eye glaze or a head movement. For example, I dislike the color of the picture there points to the picture. The non-gestural use refers to an area. An example would be saying, I love it here whilst walking through a park. Time dexis. The third one out of the three dexis types is time dexis, which is an expression that is being used to point while the speaker is speaking. According to Levinson, there are also two dexis types that Levinson has suggested. They are named discourse dexis and social dexis. Social dexis distinguishes between the social characteristics between participants in speech. Discourse dexis refers to specific parts of the discourse to provide increasing text coherence. Definition dexis. The noun dexis is pronounced dexis or dexis and has its origin from the Greek word diknonia, which means to show or to point. Every language needs dexis, however, there are differences because there are not universal deictic expressions. Dexis describes the function or use of deictic words, forms, or expressions in the linguistics. Thank you. Good luck.